Hello and welcome to our first Friday's video tutorial session for the Office of Online Instruction Moodle-based training. Today's quick session is going to display one of our newest tools in the Moodle course management system called Mass Action Block Testing Course 2018. But actually, the name of the tool is called Mass Action Block for short. Okay? I just actually created a testing course, and we're going to give credit to Dr. McClendon here at Chicago State for bringing attention to this easy tool to use that will make your life a lot easier when transporting content from different sections within your course. So to begin with, what you want to do, you want to come into your Moodle course. You're going to turn editing on, and we're going to scroll down as an instructor to add a block right here. As an instructor, you have this option in your course. We're going to scroll and we're going to choose the one that says Mass Actions. Okay, Moodle will refresh your screen and it will put the block right here to your left. What I recommend is actually using this, using this tool here, the bow and arrow, and you can click and you can drag this up, and you can also drag this over if you'd like. You can put this on either side of your course. I'm going to put it up here to the right, and it's going to be more visible that way. So let's begin with what this block does for instructors. So for example, let's say that the beginning of the semester you put a lot of activities and PDFs and PowerPoints in this particular week here, and instead of like in past Moodle versions, in order to move an item, you're going to either first turn your editing on and you're going to choose this arrow, this move resource option, and it would be simply you're clicking and dragging, and it becomes tedious. So what this block does, it allows you to move masses of content in whatever week you have in your course down to the next section, or you can hide and show multiple items in a particular weekly module. So for example, if I want to move all of these items, including the picture and the PDF file, down to, let's say, November 7th, and to alleviate going in and highlighting each item and clicking and dragging, we're going to do this in one swoop. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose this option at the top, the drop down. You're going to click select all, and we're going to choose this section, October 10th through the 16th. All right. What we're going to do is scroll down in the mass action block, and we're going to move this section. It's going to by default highlight all of these things, and you can see the check boxes right here to indicate that these two items will be moved. So we're going to move this section down to the last week in our course by choosing that drop down. As you can see, the screen refreshes, and if you scroll down, Moodle takes all of your content from the top week and it moves it to where you want it to go. Now, here's another option as well. You can also duplicate sections. So let's say for this week here, October 17th through the 23rd, we're going to scroll to the top of the mass block. We're going to select this section here, and I'm going to scroll down and use the duplication option to duplicate this entire section of content, and we're going to go ahead and drop it into October 24th through the 30th. Okay. As you can see, Moodle duplicates all of the content in October 17th into the section or the week that we chose to have the duplication transferred to. So in a nutshell, there's a few more options that you can play with here. So for example, if you want to hide or delete everything within this week, we're going to choose October 17th through the 23rd, and we're going to choose delete. Moodle is going to prompt you, are you sure you want to delete these two items? Hit OK. They're going to give you another confirmation. You're going to click delete. And as you can see, Moodle refreshes and it deletes all the content out of that section. Okay, this about wraps it up. If you have any further questions on how to use mass action blocks in your Moodle course, please don't hesitate to call our department, the Office of Online Instruction, at 773-995-2960, or we can be reached at our email address, elearning@csu.edu. Have a good day.